And good day guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide your likes on your Instagram profile. First you need to open Instagram and locate your profile. Then you search the post that you want to hide your likes and you select the three dots. Then you press hide like count and you can see that the likes have been hidden. You can also undo this process, or you can do it to all the posts that you have on your profile. It's pretty easy to do, so anybody can do it. Just like this, you press the three dots and you select hide your like count. You can see when you unselect it, the likes have been returned, and when you select it, the likes will disappear. It's a pretty easy process, so anybody can do it. It is an easy process, and if you don't like your likes to be seen, just do this and it will look so clean. Guys, that it's all, so see you soon.